If you have a food dream that you really want to make a food business, then trust me, you really need to know, you really need to master, and you really need to set up these 3 things to make your food business a success from the get-go. Hey you! My name is Zaina, I'm a graphic designer and also a professional chef, and I'm here to help you develop your food idea and make it into a successful food business. So, if you're a foodie ready to kickstart, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and of course, let's get started! Well, first things first, everything starts with an idea, and of course, food is no different. First thing you need is an amazing food idea. And no, trust me, it doesn't have to be out of this world, it just has to be yours. For the food idea to be great, it just has to be amazingly delicious, it has to be creative, and most important of all, it has to be authentic to you and to your story. And why? Because we as people, we connect with other people, we connect with their stories. So, your idea has to be backed up with your story and why it brings happiness to you, what you bring into it. And if you do so, trust me, you will be authentic and people will connect with you. And of course, it will resonate with your clients. So, again and again, ask yourself, what is it that I'm bringing to this dish? What is it that I'm bringing to my food idea? And of course, tell it to the whole wide world. The second thing we need, I think you can guess it, right? Well, of course, it is branding, one of my favorite things to do. Sometimes branding can really be difficult to understand, right? Well, let me explain it to you really simple with the language I'm sure you will understand, the language of food. Just think of branding as your signature dish. The recipe is the basis, the branding all together, everything written down. The plating is the visual identity, logos, the materials you have. And the taste, aroma, and that little extra special that makes it your signature dish is your authentic personality, story, idea that brings it all together. So, when you're considering your branding, think of it as it really should scream you. And of course, it should resonate with both your style and the one from your ideal client. And the third thing you really need to set up is your business plan. I know, don't tell me anything. It is so boring. It is so not my cup of tea. I'm so lousy with numbers. I don't know how to do it. I know, it is all that. But the best advice I can give you is to find an accountant or an advisor to work with. Why? Because when you do it and when you plan and organize your business plan beforehand, trust me, I promise you, it will be better in the long run. And of course, you want your food business to start successfully, don't you? So, to sum it all up, the 3 things you really need to set up before you start your food business. Great food idea, branding, and of course, an amazing business plan. If you need help, shout out in the comments, or to help you with all of it, I have devised a free training so you can develop your food idea successfully. Join me today and see you next Thursday. The most important thing you can do as it really should bring the thing that is you. It really screams with every part of it. To help you with all those, I have devised a free I'm Zaina. Hi, my name is Zaina.